Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the logo file and working on a copy to avoid losing the original. Once done, confirm color mode. Use RGB for screen or CMYK for print, because inversion behaves differently in each. Make sure layers are unlocked and flattened only on a working duplicate. This lets you test options non-destructively. Now locate the main color layer or select the entire artwork. From here, you'll apply the first inversion method using adjustments or blending, which I'll walk you through next. You can invert with an adjustment layer for flexibility. Image adjustments invert or add an invert adjustment layer so you can toggle it. For vectors, invert by swapping fills and strokes or applying a color transform matrix. This preserves crisp edges. Once inverted, check transparency and alpha channels to keep a clean silhouette, then tweak contrast or levels to maintain legibility. If colors clash, use selective hue/saturation or blend modes to recover brand intent while keeping the inverted look consistent. You finish by exporting in the format needed: PNG for transparent web use, SVG for scalable vectors, or PDF for print. Once exported, test the inverted logo on its actual backgrounds and at small sizes to verify contrast and legibility. If colors look off after export, make sure embedded color profiles match destination devices, then re-export. If edges or anti-aliasing create halos, re-export at 2x and downscale, or adjust matte settings to remove artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.